For my beginner nail techs, keep watching. Melody Susie came out with this cordless portable nail drill and we are unboxing her today. This drill is only the handheld attachment, which is amazing for storage and efficiency, and it's only $20. Let me just tell you that right now. It has the RPM buttons, the pause and turn off and on. It is chargeable with the USB. It comes with that, and it also comes with some other goodies, some sanding bands, drill bits, this brush, everything you need really to get started using this drill. And like I said, it's only $20 freaking dollars. So you slide the nail bit in. You hold that bottom button to turn it on, and then you can play with that plus and negative sign to increase and decrease the RPMs. And then if you want to pause it at the RPMs, you just press that lower button once and it pauses it, and you press it again to bring it back to that same RPM, which is my favorite feature about this drill. And then you just hold that button down again to turn it off. I'm gonna link it to this video. Like I said, $20 for those girls just starting out and need something affordable.